When did we, as an American country, turn a protected activity into suspicious behavior? Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network, where we bring you police interaction videos and news. This video comes to you by way of Synthetic West. I'll be dropping his original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. This guy is reminding public officials that it's not against the law to take photographs. Let's get right to the video, folks.
Great. Say again?
You needed to see anybody?
Oh, no.
Okay, say no good. How you doing today?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, no, I just we just saw you take a picture. We didn't know if you needed anything. I wanted to see
Well-
an officer or whatever. I see you getting.
Well, I mean,
different
y'all
shots.
are taking pictures too. What's the matter?
Nothing's the matter.
I said, what's the matter? Y'all are taking pictures too.
No, I just saw. I mean, we see people out here. We just want to make contact if it's okay. I mean,
Okay.
it's a public building.
How bored do public officials have to be that they see somebody outside and they decide they need to confront them? And no, folks, these are not cordial confrontations. This is government thinking that they have power over the people. It's time for you guys to pull out your phones, start recording your public officials, ask questions, upload them to YouTube, send your videos to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Let us help your channels grow, folks. Keep watching.
Absolutely, it's part of the building.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be an issue.
No, it's not. I just asked you if you needed anything. That's all.
I answered you back there. I was fine.
Yeah, no, that's what I said. I saw you coming over here. I
Do
didn't know
you
if
usually
needed
ask
anything.
people multiple
Yeah.
questions over and over again for the same answer? Do you usually do that?
Sir, no, I saw you coming closer here. That's why I asked you if you did.
Right, I was over
No,
here and I was
yeah.
over there. Again, I said I was fine over there, ma'am.
Yeah.
You have no obligation to ask me if I'm okay or not.
But
It's
sir,
fine.
what I'm saying is, if you wanted to, we get that all the time. That's why. That's
Well,
why I
then,
stated that.
then why tell me you do something all the time? If it's so regular, what does it matter?
I said because we get people to ask us about us all the time.
Well, ma'am, if y'all have a phone, y'all got a phone number, ma'am, y'all got a phone number and all. If I needed y'all, I'd call y'all. 911. Is that still the number? 911. Thank you. That's what I thought.
Well handled, my friend. Well handled. Bored and out of shape, uneducated on the people's rights, bad attitudes, aggressive confrontations, civil rights violations, an umbrella of protection, qualified immunity, internal investigations, police unions, misappropriation of funds, corruption at its finest, folks. That's what I think about when I think of police these days. They should change the writing on the cruisers from protect and serve to harass and extort, because that's all we're seeing. So many unsolved murders out there. Every time I turn on a documentary or a cold case file episode where it involves cops, they always talk about the incompetence of policing. This isn't a conspiracy. It's the damn truth. And that's why people like Synthetic West has to go out there and record and document and ask questions. This video was quick and easy. He handled these cops exactly the way they should have. And I know some of you naysayers may say, well, they were just asking questions. No, they weren't. And just like she said when she was walking off, people ask about us all the time. Well, nice lady, people should be asking about you all the time because you guys don't even know the oath that you swore to in order to get that job. And if anybody that's watching right now doesn't believe me, I challenge you to look for a video online where a cop gets sworn in and he actually knows it. All he's doing is repeating something that somebody else is reading to him. The sad part is the person reading it doesn't even know it either. This has to be the biggest scam perpetrated on the American people in the history of policing and in the history of this country. Know your rights, folks. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unwanted searches and seizures. And the First Amendment protects your freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. And that is exactly what this man was doing. I will drop his original link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go say hello and let him know that the San Joaquin News Network family has sent you over there. We are a family here, folks. We are a community, and I really do appreciate every single one of you. Pat yourselves on the back and share my channel with your friends and loved ones. All right, folks, have yourselves a blessed day. Always record the police. Peace out.